Did I think the day would ever come that I would be standing here with a pink selfie stick that I bought on TikTok Shop? I did not think so. But the beautiful Miss Nikki is going on a trip and she wanted a good old-fashioned, embarrassing-looking selfie stick. I went on TikTok Shop. This one was super cheap and it seemed to have the basic functionality we wanted. So I think there's only one thing we need to do to test it out. Let's put the phone on it, see if I could take a picture of myself. All right, let's do it. I already paired it with the cell phone. I will tell you, first impression is it's a little weak for a modern-sized giant phone. Makes me a little nervous, but it is paired with the phone. It is now holding the phone. Let's selfie it out a little bit. Okay, all right, so we're selfied out a little bit. Let me put on the camera so I can see myself. Let's see, so we can see you. Wait, let's do it selfie style. Ooh, look how dirty the garage is. Let me press the selfie stick button. I just took a picture. Okay, it totally worked. It totally worked. All right, next real test, because again, she's traveling with one of her lady friends. At least that's the story she's telling me. And so they want to be able to take some pictures of themselves while they're out and about without having to ask people to help them and stuff. So this does have the tripod function, right? We got the tripod here, like this. Look, it has a removable remote control. So let's pretend I am Nikki and I'm her friend. Oh, look how pretty it is. Look at the scenery back there. Let's take a picture. And it totally worked. Okay, I'm going to apologize to the world that I went on TikTok Shop as a self-respecting male and bought a cheap, junky pink selfie stick, and I'm floored. It absolutely works perfectly. It took 2 seconds for me to pair it up with the cell phone, and I am going nuts. My wife's gonna be like, why do I have all these pictures of the back of your head and the dirty garage? Overall, absolutely phenomenal. If you need a basic selfie stick, your wife is going away. If you're not having a problem walking around with the pink selfie stick yourself, this is absolutely a winner. Hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.